Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this multi-sim software tutorial. Today I am going to teach you how to solve electrical circuits using Kirchhoff's voltage law in multi-sim software. Another name for this method is known as mesh analysis or loop analysis, or it is also known as Maxwell mesh current method. To design this method in multi-sim software, I have considered an example. Consider the figure which shows a circuit consisting of two loops. We have to calculate the current flowing through the resistors in the circuit using Kirchhoff's voltage law. Friends, for your convenience, I have uploaded the mathematical solution of the example in the form of PDF link in the description section. You can download it from there. Let's start. Just click on this multi-sim icon to open it. As we need the various components such as resistors, voltage source, ammeter and ground to design the circuit. Therefore, just click on this icon having the name place and then click on component. You can see a new window is open. In the group section, select the sources. Then in the power source category, click on DC power and press OK. As you place this battery, the same window will be automatically open for your convenience to take other components. As we need the ground component, therefore click on ground and press OK. Now we need resistor component. Therefore in the group section, click on basic and then select the resistor block and press OK. Finally, we need ammeter to measure the currents in the two loops. Therefore, in the group section, click on indicators, select the ammeter and press OK. Look at the figure. The battery voltage is 10 volt. Therefore, double click on the battery and change the voltage to 10 volt and press OK. Now double click on this ammeter. In the display section, click on component specific visibility setting and uncheck the show values. In the label section, write I1 to measure the current in the first loop of the circuit and press OK. To measure the current in the first loop, connect this ammeter in series with this battery and resistor. Look at the figure again. The value of the resistor is 2 ohm. Therefore, double click on this resistor, change the value to 2 ohm and press OK. Similarly, look at the figure again. Now we have to connect 6 ohm resistor and 6 volt battery. Before doing this, we have to connect the ammeter again to measure the current through this resistor. Therefore, first copy this ammeter by pressing Ctrl plus C and paste it here by pressing Ctrl plus V. Place your mouse cursor at the ammeter and right click on it. Click on rotate 90 degree clockwise to change its direction. Now connect this ammeter with this resistor. Double click on this ammeter and write here I12 to measure the current. Now copy this resistor and paste it here. Connect this resistor with this ammeter. Similarly, copy this battery and paste it here. Connect this resistor with this battery. Double click on this battery, change the voltage to 6 volt and press OK. Look at the figure again. Now we have to connect this resistor to complete the first loop of the circuit. Therefore, copy this resistor again and paste it here. Connect this resistor with both the batteries to complete the first loop. Double click on this resistor, change the value to 4 ohm and press OK. Similarly, double click on this resistor, change its value to 6 ohm and press OK. Look at the figure again. Now we have to design the second loop of the circuit. The second loop consists of 2 resistors and 1 battery. However, before doing this, we have to connect ammeter again at this point to measure the current I2 in the second loop. Therefore, copy this ammeter and paste it here. Connect this ammeter with this point. Double click on this ammeter. Write here I2 to measure the current in the second loop and press OK. Now copy this resistor and paste it here. Double click on it, change the value to 3 ohm and press OK. Connect this resistor with the ammeter. Now copy the battery and paste it here. Double click on it, change its value to 2 volt and press OK. Connect the resistor with the one terminal of the battery. Now copy this resistor and paste it here. Double click on it, change the value to 5 ohm and press OK. Connect the resistor with the other terminal of the battery as well as connect it with this point to complete the second loop of the circuit. In the end, just connect this ground component here to complete the model. Now we can run the simulation. To run the simulation, just click on the play button. You can see our model is working correctly. Now you can compare the answer of the current I1 with the answer obtained in the example. You can see both answers are correct. Similarly, you can compare the answer of the current I2 with the answer obtained in the example. You can see both answers are correct. Finally, you can compare the answer of the current I12 flowing through 6 ohm resistor with the answer obtained in the example. You can see both these answers are also correct. Friends, in this tutorial I have discussed how to solve electrical circuits using Kirchhoff's voltage law or Maxwell mesh current method or loop method in Multisim software. By doing the same way, any electrical circuit consisting of 2 loops or 3 loops from any book can be designed in the Multisim software, and its performance can be analyzed using Kirchhoff's voltage law. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. Friends, I upload many videos based on various topics of power system and motivation on regular basis. Therefore, don't forget to subscribe my channel in order not to miss my latest videos. And don't forget to share my videos with your friends and class fellows so that they can also get benefit from these videos. Thank you very much.